Diyan yung bangka, over.
Kasi yung video ah. Pasenta lang.
Bye-bye! Para nakakayak naman yung kan.
Ano ang declaration? May scroll na din.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of my present group, I would like to thank
Shakel Onrek.
Ito na yung hirapan sir na service boat sir.
this good vessel.
Approaching na dito sa ano natin.
We now
Port
proceed
side.
to Portland, Oregon, USA. For loading, we pledge to make our best effort, and with the grace of God, we are sure to make a good performance.
Pagkatapos dyan, ipa to sa port side.
Vessel. Will you join me in thanking Endurance Netherlands, in aming ipon sa
Kailangan bata magsulat ng ilang bata.
and all other concerned for their time and generous hospitality during our stay at the dockyard. Praise of God, blessing from Hayasu Hibis Shrine for the safe and prosperous voyages. We wish you all. Arigato. Sayonara.
Sir, Badok. Nagsisenyas yung service boat sir.
Yan, nasira pa. Baba na.
Sige sir, sunduin ko na lang dito sa ano sir. Perfect.
Sir, pukusa.